Listen.
I think I should put a candy. Since I'm
Yeah, because you were actually sorting faster than Nala. Yeah, you sort the eggs. This one is a little, if you see the top of this.
I just found that one.
No, the top?
Yeah.
That is not the top. That is the opposite of the top. Up here.
When Dollar Tree used to be nice. These ones came from Dollar Tree too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I got those in Dollar Tree. And
Look at the Easter eggs.
The only ones I got from the Dollar Tree is one year we couldn't find them. We couldn't find half the eggs. And so we had to.
I think that's how we ended up with all of these that time.
These ones actually. I bought these off Amazon the year before last year.
Yeah, because we didn't do this last year.
Where are you putting these?
No, but I think that's how we ended up. Because remember we had basic eggs one time and then we couldn't find those and we ended up buying these. And then we couldn't find them again, and then they ended up buying the other ones.
I got a 5-pound bag of candy from Amazon for like $30, $20-something.
Doesn't seem like that much now when you.
It doesn't, so that's why I want to go get more candy because it does not. And then it's not a variation.
Dollar Tree has very good candy.
Oh, shut up, you candy addict.
And make sure you get some pixie sticks.
Make sure.
We should just go with
make sure.
This when she
If you would like,
sure.
If you would like, you can get pixie sticks.
Oh, okay.
Too.
Did you hear Tequila? We should just go with her.
Oh yeah. And you want to try with mushrooms too?
No, I don't. Come on, and the only person I'm going with is Mommy.
This was 76.
I feel unappreciated.
That's when she used to number the them to see how many she
One year it was
made.
76, another year it was 78, I guess.
You should have put the small candies in here and put the big candies on here.
You really want me to separate both of them? I just dumped them out on the table.
Well, the smarter way so you can pick up one
You
big
do it.
candy
You do
and
it.
one
You do it.
quick
You do it.
candy.
You do it then.
I remember I had to sort the candy out one hand.
This doesn't have anything in it.
Now I don't know why you have.
Oh, it didn't shake or anything.
Because I thought we were doing JJ and
No, you're doing all the candy. You're doing all the things.
Someone told me to roll
Oh, this one was empty. Oopsies.
Which I never, even though this is a coupon there, I never understood it because why are your prices so high but then you have all these damn coupons? What time do they open? All them lines there, people there lit. Yeah. There's a lot of cars in the parking lot.
We were trying to figure it out the other day at work, which is cheaper, them or Aldi.
Somebody said they're more expensive.
Lidl, right?
Yeah.
That's what I said. I said I think Lidl's more expensive than Aldi.
Yeah, somebody said they're more expensive. But they also said the quality of stuff is better. That's what I liked about my my thing here. Like, aren't you a little bit high to be landing? Oh, they got all there. Oh, I should probably see if, actually, I must see that. If they have the thing there. You need a buggy. You don't need a buggy? Oh, that's new. Duncan. When's the last time I came into this Walmart? It was here last time we came? Ah. For the dots?
No, the bucket for the Easter bucket.
I mean, that should be fine.
Again today.
So kind of it's very early. But I think it'll be all right.
No, it's gonna be nasty as stairs.
As long as you don't open it.
That's gonna be nasty as stairs.
Be both. It has to be one or the other.
Use baking soda for because we have baking soda.
Yeah, I poured some of it in there last year. Even these shits before, I forgot which one it is. I think it's AC. Before they run out.
You ran out last year?
Mm-hmm.
It was hot last year too, so a lot of people
All
were
the
buying
shit gets
bowls.
this, all right, let's go. Came what we came for.
Don't mind.
So I'm working on fixing my hair, so I need these things. Look, see the price on these things? Jesus. Especially that thing.
Sure, we bought 34 items. You don't use Navion?
No. Navia's was just as much as ours because all her vegan stuff and her gluten-free stuff. Which one of these potatoes? This one or this one? This one looks like I have some smaller ones in it. Yeah, this one look. Yeah, this one's smaller.
Mm-hmm. Still want those little Russian. Not little Russian. Those little ones.
Oh, I could turn. There's a lemon in the fridge. We don't need lemon. And these onions are too big. The onions are too big.
Well, then that's on the budget. Don't they laugh if they're too big because you don't do as much? I mean, you just do the half.
I mean, it's only $3 for 5 pounds. Some plums. There's some plums.
What about when they're too soft?
But you just keep squeezing them, they're gonna be soft.
Well, I'm feeling to make sure they're not hard.
That's why you don't take the one from the top. You take the ones from that nobody has touched yet. That's why you move this stuff out the way and go to the bottom.
Where people those potatoes up there?
The who?
The potatoes.
Mm-hmm. Oh, let me get her some garlic.
Cool.
Georgette. I mean, for the kitchen. You know, she goes through it a lot. There's still carrots in the fridge.
Awesome. Who's that?
Well, let me get some blueberries and stuff up in here. What's this? Oh, pears?
Can't even see the price.
$10. It's about the same at Aldi. 7 something. Look, bread. You're not looking at the price of the bread, are you? Oh, is that so? There she go. think of mango. You getting something else over there? Apple. And I was gonna say, where are the mangoes? I saw them earlier, but they were on the other side of where I was standing. Oh, you're right here. Hold on. I'll be right back. Oh, the cucumber? Inside. Oh, we need sweet pepper too. Pomegranate or no? Because we didn't eat all of them. Oh, the cucumber don't belong here.
No, it's right there, but I think it's a small one.
Yeah, then you don't have to cut it. That's already cut up, so you don't have to cut it up. It's the cheapest one.
In there.
Okay. I think we're done with meat now. Oh, my bottle of palm too.
There's no space for it.
Put it on the bottom. Yeah, there's big old space right here. There's plenty of space down there. Ginger, I about to say ginger lemonade. What? That's a trunk with all the food. How much did you spend?
$5.72.
572 she spent.
573. Oops.
572 plus tax, so she's rounding it up to 573.
No, it was 573.
Oh. But we got a lot of meat, so that's why. That probably was like $200 worth of meat. Huh?
We're gonna go vegetarian.
Alright, that's our Costco haul. Time to head home. Everything. When they're having something at City Hall, they always open the gate for the people. Hi, JJ. Here, call again. Hi, JJ. Call again. Hi, JJ. Hi, JJ. Not even look. Hi, JJ. Not even look. Ever since this child was a baby. Hi, JJ.
That's my Nada? Oh,
It's like don't like yeah, don't already but
Yeah.
kind of.
Yes.
oh then yeah don't make
Good job.
We had an Easter egg some situation at the City Hall.
Yes, that's smart. They're having like face paint train rides. The celebration is spring.
Good. Over there. And teach me up a pick up it.
Okay guys, so I'm about to make Mom. I'm recording. You're making too much noise. Stop clearing your throat.
Say what?
I said you're making too much noise. Stop clearing your throat. I need it. Tap my face. Okay. I forgot what to say. Oh. So it's Easter Sunday. Happy Easter. And we're gonna make Easter goodie bags. Goodie bags? Okay. I think it's yes. So it's 5 kids, so like the big kids are gonna get the Doritos, and then the tiny kids are gonna get the Cheetos. And for drink, I have a Capri Sun, fruit punch. And then we have glow sticks. Let's see if it'll focus. Focus. Okay, I'll come back when I'm tying the bags, cause yeah. Okay, now we're gonna tie the bags. Okay. The chips don't fit in the bags.
The what?
The chips don't fit in the bags. I put the glow sticks in it with the juice. That's all. Bye. So these are the bags. Look at they look. Got the glow, got the juice, the glow sticks. Can you even see that? The glow sticks. You can see right there. The glow sticks. So cute. Okay, bye. See you guys when I sit at the table.
But I said more. I'm not saying that you didn't go through it, nor am I saying that you don't know about it. I'm telling you that they have gotten more disrespectful. They have gotten more when it comes to the students that are coming from other countries.
I was too much from graduation. I just when I left Florida, I did 1 year, and I left for Florida, and I did my GED. I didn't know when I was going to graduate high school at 21, and I was literally about to graduate at 18. So I left.
Target, you have to have like a 2.8 or something to be in the order. Now, granted,
That's ugly.
I never really had the high GPAs, but I at least had. I had above a 30 most times. I had well above. Like, yeah, that's it. And she's more worried about.
Well, this will even be on the cake. The cake can under this. It's equal.
It's like, I am. It's not even later on yet. What about the box? You can see the thickness of it.
I got it in No. Wait, how did I do?
I don't know. I don't think I did a good job with the king selection this year.
They're small, it's not like when we was kids, these fuckers.
I know you just want to go. Oh, I'm just putting one box. I'll open it.
That's one flavor too. Is it one flavor per box?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Did it done there?
No. This needs to be wiped off. Terrence. Oh, shit, don't. This is full glass. This is heavy. Can you?
Don't give that to Terrence.
He can do it.
What do you want Terrence to do with that?
Wipe it
No,
off.
man, better you have to
Here, Terrence.
get the white paper towel.
Hold it properly. How are you supposed to do something if you don't let him do anything?
Slowly gets used to things.
Mommy, he's 13 years old. Wait, how old is he?
12. He's turning.
He's supposed to be 13 years old. He's about to be 13 years old.
Okay, I'm about to go shower, get dressed.
He's close to being a grown man. You want to send him out in the world with no useful tactical skills? Exactly.
Yeah, I don't know what she was saying.
Exactly.
And they need to be like in the middle.
I'm just like put these in front and then just use these for. Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go.
That was something better. Anyway.
Yeah. That's better.
Yeah. Down the middle. Yeah. Alright. Here's our design. Our Cheetos, our chips, juices, and the cupcakes are gonna go up here. And then goodie bags for when they leave. And then our cutlery and napkins. And plates. And then the cakes can go in the middle.
Excuse me.
Okay. Hey guys, it's been a while. Well, they're gonna give them a hint where they're out here hiding the eggs for the kids' Easter egg hunt. It's Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, everyone. Yeah, I'm not putting myself. But yeah, how has everyone been doing? I hope everyone's okay. Welcome back to the vlog. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of you. And yeah, stay stick around, come along. Well, you could go in here because there's nothing planted. Just don't put it where stuff is planted. Look at the garden, guys. It's a mess. I haven't even prepared anything for it this year. Oh, the blueberries, they're coming. I just got to trim the dead things off.
Got my last egg. I was putting it. But you have my last egg. I will put one in here.
You're making them so visible.
They are. They need to be hidden. I want them to
Yeah.
because they can't find them. Oh, I got
Tara, that's terrible. You want them to start crying?
because they can't find them.
Hide the eggs like you said. You guys are look at Nana put this one. Look at this, look, they're all visible.
Mine is not visible right here.
This, I could see this right here. This one, I could see this right here.
Fine then, give me that one then. I'll throw it right in here.
Make sure it's not wet.
Should be
They're
alright.
literally making all the eggs so visible. Did y'all put one underneath here?
This will be the hardest one, I'm telling you. One in there.
Inside the glove.
Yes. I have no more eggs.
Now they can't reach up there. Not yet. That's for the babies.
Almost like that one. That tree. Oh, don't put
Did y'all put one in there?
Yeah, have one in there.
One in this one?
Oh, I didn't put one.
Where's my wash brush out here to get
Ma'am, you're taking up the hottest spot.
oh well, too bad. How they gonna reach that? I guess it goes point to somebody gonna take it down for them.
Okay, so I can put mine in.
She's hiding it in the
Put one
tree.
in Mama's pocket. Put one in Mama's pocket. She doesn't have. Does she have pockets? I'm putting one in Mama's pocket. Yes.
Who has my keys?
Oh my God, I'm gonna find some quarters.
Devian, you remember Nana said she had money? Pennies! She put pennies in it!
I'm gonna have to go find quarters. Just hold it for now.
Yeah, they have quarters in the car. She opened the car. Or in my handbag in a little coin purse. Like, exactly. You're not even making it hard for them. Gotta challenge their brains. There's a bucket down there. Mommy, it's Zaire and Mia. The babies are gonna be on the front lawn like usual. This is Zaire. Look, this one right here. After. When it's closer to them coming, the front is for the babies.
So you know, put your own there.
Jesus, lady, how many different ways am I gonna say it?
Which one there, black cat or not?
Where's the quarters?
In the change thing? Oh, well, it's inside the house then.
No,
Nala gave them pennies.
Are you serious? Here, can you hold this for now until I go get them?
Oh, I left my phone inside.
Put one in Mama's hair.
Terrence.
Tara, look, Tara. Wait, no. I need a pink one. Oh, I can say that. Just make sure it doesn't fall, Mommy.
With that tear, so.
Yeah, over there too.
I want that they have offer on Easter.
How many more do y'all have to hide?
That's perfect.
Huh?
How many more y'all have to hide?
I have basically.
There, what? This little section right here. Just dump out the water. Right here. Oh, there's no water in there. Y'all could stick one down in here. Is there water?
No, it's kind of wet.
Yeah, just put one on top. I mean, right
I
there.
have no more eggs left.
Y'all put one in this? Y'all put one in here.
They're gonna put the little one that's so it.
Well, the small kids are just gonna throw them down. They're not gonna like really hide them like that.
Which one? The porch?
Mhm.
Start hanging out here. Isn't targeting the where those small big eggs? Not this kid's egg.
You still have more, mommy?
Yeah.
Put one underneath here.
In Nyla,
Put one underneath there.
Nyla coming.
Somebody go and open the front door, please.
Navion. Noggin.
No, can you open the front door, please?
Put one with your flowers.
No, don't go in there. Don't go in there. And don't go in there. And they'll put one on the edge. It's not next to my flower head that they're gonna crush.
It blends in. They probably won't wait.
Come on, put one here. Put one in between here.
And then try a pencil too.
No.
Huh? What you talking about?
You have more?
Yeah, I have 3 more.
I put one right underneath here. Right here. Hmm? Oh, I don't know.
What do you go my accident?
It's, yeah, drop in pencils. I don't know where the pencil came from.
What pencils?
What you doing is doing an Easter egg. We don't want that right there because we're putting on the kids' ones. We're not putting those out yet. Now we're going to wait for a little bit. And then someone needs to sit out here and watch it. Oh.
How much more you have, T?
1. Who put one in your pocket?
Oh, Tara.
I'll hold one.
T, take that one up. That one's the big kids one.
Let me that.
Okay, so they finished hiding the big kids' eggs. Now we're gonna wait a little bit because the small kids' eggs are just gonna be basically tossed around here. So we're gonna wait a little bit to put the small kids' eggs out, the little kids' eggs out. So because they're just gonna be scattered around on the lawn. So yeah. But yeah, I hope you guys, like I said before, I hope you guys are having a happy Easter. And yeah. All right, stay tuned. We'll be back.
Take it out the box now.
Yeah, why not?
That's mine. Don't forget if you post it, tag her. Leave your Instagram. Picture it like this. Put these on now. Yeah, put them on.
Oh, there it is.
Do it in a thank you. How does she tape off? She tapes it up.
Here's my tape on it. Oh.
Tapes these things up well.
Was the front door?
No, you can
No,
put it
not
over
the
there.
air. The house area been locked up for months. Oh my god, I don't want to rip the box. Your turn. You want me to do it?
That's it? Okay, you actually have to take it out. Can you record it, please?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's tall.
It's happy birthday to me.
This chocolate.
It's also from Navian too. I forgot to say that.
This
This
chocolate.
chocolate you can see.
Unless it's just dark on the side, it's chocolate.
Well, sometimes oh, that's hard. Okay. Oh, it's hard.
It's yeah, it's chocolate. You can see the chocolate bits.
I want you to push that thing down.
This is so cute. You did a great job, Tyra.
Who?
Us.
She said we. She said we did a great job.
Oh, I should hide this
Who told her I like flowers?
Hmm?
Who told her I like flowers?
Well, the design I sent her had flowers in it.
Oh,
This girl don't know you.
but that's why I said who told her. Watch out.
I'm gonna take pictures. I can post it in Capra.
Right. It reminds me of the little pearls they put on wedding cakes. Can you put us over this for now, please? All right. Just like 2 minutes and 50 of let's snap a picture.
You're going with it.
I am about to go.
Are you taking up the whole thing?
I'm gonna take the cake and then I'm gonna take the whole
These are the
table.
ones
The rest of the table. Now that it's all set up,
Okay, I'm gonna show you.
for the big heads, for the little heads. Over there, T. Somewhere it fell. You better not step on my flowers, Terrence.
Some of them will hide, but like for the most part, these little ones are just gonna be stood up.
Hold on.
If there be this one.
That.
The hard one?
Bring it back, man.
Terrence, Tara, be careful of the maca.
What do you think here?
That's on behind the thing here.
What?
Like behind the column. Like see it. No, Cece, too close to the maca. They then come up and it go juke them. Like behind that green one right there. Cece, right there. No. Like move the blue one there and put one in between the light and the inside, Terrence. Yeah, like that. Yeah.
Did you know this is back today? Jesus arose from the tomb. He actually arose from death. On Sunday, 20th, today. He died on Friday.
What about it happened some alongside, sir?
Where? Yeah. I think I got my sweater.
It is chilly. That's why I put on a jacket that came out here.
I'll have to make a joke.
But some of them you're gonna just put on the thing, just throw out on the grass now. They're small, they're not big. Just put some out on the lawn, that's it. Just lay them down on the lawn. Behind that little rock over there, so by the oh, and then in that little plant there, so just put one in the dirt, yeah, right there, down there, so yeah. You could put another one right in the corner, where the corner inside there. Yeah, inside.
Like this whole area is empty. I wish the grass is a little bit higher. Oh, like right here.
Do we find any buckets in the thing just in case they didn't have any?
Mia has two that her and JJ are gonna use. I don't know if we have any downstairs.
I think I have 8 buckets, but all my Beyblade stuff is in there.
No, do we have an Easter basket?
Because would they have any buckets in the basement? Yeah, that's it. Just throw them out.
Isn't this so much better than participating? Keep hiding. The little jelly beans look so cute.
Back when I was in Blucher, they made me do this just as far as student council.
No, do what Terrence just did. Dig it in, the lollipop. I do. Oh, okay.
Around the side now, you put them along that side, on the grass or on that side. Wow. Damn, Terrence is feeling
Put his ass down.
Here come our Easter egg hunters. Why is it taking them so long to come around the corner?
To get up the hill.
Is he actually running towards you?
Yes, actually.
Terrence, don't come out of the screenshot. All the punts have on glasses. Kuya.
First, you turn around and look at you.
Mia, come back. Mia, come back.
Just kidding.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Nikki.
Hello, Miss Thing. She run gone. He run gone. Casey, are you Akshay? Eh? Yeah, Akshay. You come out of the house. Now you know you Ashy.
Other basket.
Come on, JJ, let's go. Let's show these two that we're better than them.
Okay, come. But no one's supposed to bring him down. No one's supposed to. They see them.
Come on, let's show the girls that we're better than them.
Oh.
I'm kind of affording the bag.
Yeah, like that. So we take this.
Where's your bag at?
Not yet, Zaire.
Zaire, you're not supposed to be. No, Zaire's doing your bag. You're doing yours in the back, sir.
So he's just gonna hunt with them?
Oh, wait! Yeah. Not yet! This is fine. Zaire, have JJ here. JJ, come. JJ, come up for Ed.
It's not your turn yet, Mia. Mia, come sit down.
Not haunted.
Sit down, Zaire. Zaire, come sit down. It's not your turn yet. You and Mia sit here. Now let them go.
Okay, come, go.
Zaire need to get rid of the chips.
He won't let go.
Yeah, JJ,
This is so hard. I could never eat those eggs.
JJ, you did this. You pick it. No.
pick it up, pick it
Excuse me,
up.
Zai Zai.
Put it in the bag. Sit. Come, look. Look, JJ.
Oh, look, Papa, for Shelly one. Look, Punty, do it. Pick up the eggs, pick them up. Yay!
Put it in there. Put it in there.
Don't come here.
Take them out.
Whoa. Okay. Come say look. Come here.
Wash it, Zaire. Sorry, Zaire. She gonna get all the eggs.
This is stressing me out. No, because
Tara, you're not being fair.
Wait, that's for Zayn.
that's for
Tyra, give it to me.
no.
I was gonna help you.
JJ, look at JJ. Let's use this boy. Picking up the eggs.
Oh, there's more. Oh.
Come.
Here you go.
Excuse me. Let's go. Oh, where you going?
JJ.
Oh, no, not that. Good job.
JJ busy with him chips.
That's what I was saying. You got one more.
There's still some more for you. Don't worry, Zaire. Do we have more?
Wait, what the?
I'm sure you have more.
Sit down.
I'm sure you have more, did it?
Well, then the big ones will get to look for those. No, the ones that were hidden are for the big kids. Don't take the ones that are hidden out. Those are for the big kids.
Oh, it's all done.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, now give the big kids bags.
The big Easter bag that's in there. Yay! Where's JJ? Oh, that's right here.
JJ, I'm disappointed in you.
Exactly.
We practiced all day yesterday. You cheated technically because you got practice. Come, Zaire, Mia. Here.
Look at it.
Come on.
There's a few around here. That's for them.
Where are they going?
To the back.
Open it.
Put this inside the Shelly. Pass the phone and give me. Just give me the phone. You gotta put that in the phone. JJ don't deserve any.
JJ cheated and still lost. Everyone's coming. Wait.
Don't run.
Not the little kids.
Search for the eggs. Zaire, look everywhere. Look on the cars. Look under things. Lift things up and search.
You have to search, okay?
Sorry, but he's only 4.
Go. Look under things. Go. Look down. Go. Look under things. Search. Lift things up. You can't.
Zaire.
Well, somebody go help Mia. Go ahead. Somebody go help Mia then.
Zaire.
You can't show him all of them.
Zaire, so right here.
Where's Mia?
Somebody go help Mia.
Zaire.
Mia, there's more over here. There's more over here.
Even the car.
Mia, there's more over here.
Mia, right here.
Mia, look up. Oh, Mia's finding.
Yeah, she finding her on her own.
Look. Where did you see some?
Zaire, look up. Look up.
Okay.
Hey, look down there. Look up. Look behind. Look in the pipe. Look in the pipe. Look in the clothespin. In the clothespin.
Mia, here.
Isn't there one in the bucket? In the bucket.
Mia. Amelia.
They're like sitting right in front of them. Where they go? Did they find all the ones down there?
There's still some in the car, but they haven't gotten them yet.
Mia. Mia. Mia.
Did they find all the ones here?
There's still some in your car, but they're not going for.
Mia.
Zai already got those too.
Oh.
There's one right there, and they haven't seen
Mia.
it.
I said look.
I know.
Look. What is this? It's a rock. It's a rock.
Mia,
Where's Zaire?
go inside.
Where's Zaire? Zaire.
I know. I saw it. How do I open?
Go around the front. Gotta go from the front.
Wow, I wonder if there's anything in here. Zaire. Oh, there's anything. Oh, anything in here. I wonder if there's anything in here.
Wednesday, look.
I wonder. This is a
There's one.
I'm trying to call him.
Y'all are stressing
Oh my God, Mia, look. I'm stressed. Mia, look. Oh my God. Where we get a lollipop from? Probably his own kid.
I took it out.
Zaire, I wonder. Do you see anything?
Mia, do you see?
Navi, close that.
Got it. If I'm showing it to him, why are you calling me?
I don't even know what I'm recording because I'm just moving around.
Look there, Zai, look. Look beside me. Look. Come to me. Come give me a hug. Come, Zai.
But how y'all gonna get the hug from them? You see them busy. Y'all wanna put on a big hug and you see the kids them busy.
Come to me.
Where's Mia or Zaire? Look. I wonder if there's anything over here. Look.
Put it in the bag.
Wait, Mom, what you do with this?
It's in my hand.
You just.
It keeps falling. Yeah, there's some in the front too. Did they get the one over here too? This one?
Oh, more there. Go inside and look. Go inside and look.
I honestly have no idea what I'm recording.
Zaire! Where is he?
Let me make sure me and the tip up on my flowers.
Zaire!
Two in here.
Zaire, look!
Two in here.
You see it? Yeah.
Mia, look. Mia.
Where's that here?
Sorry.
How much? I have a lot.
Look, Mia, it's more.
I don't even know what
Where?
it's not that much around here. It's not that much around here.
Mia, let me call you.
Come in.
It's not that much around here. It's like maybe 3.
They have one in the mailbox.
Yeah, they have inside on the porch. Hello. It's good, you? Look. Easter eggs. No. Just the kids. But there's more.
Here, Mia.
Just take this little guy.
Here. Oh, I know where some is. Huh? Zai.
Zaza is over.
Zai. Where is he?
I picked up the ones from the no.
Where's Zai?
What? Put them at the same time.
Give me.
Zai, come. Zai, come.
Here.
Where's your sister?
I didn't see it. I know there was one. I looked just now. Come, there's more on the porch, Zaire. Go to the porch. Go on.
One under here, sir.
Give me.
Wait. Zaire's right here.
Give me. I
You can have this one. Oh.
Come, go on
Go on the porch. There's more on the porch. Go.
Be careful.
Did you guys use the big one?
They didn't go all the way. Cry. Hello. You had candy? Huh? You had candy? Are you ready to start hollering now?
Good, but
No, Phoebe. Phoebe, next year Phoebe's sitting home. Mia, hurry up.
There you go. Go on the porch. Go. Go. Go.
Where again?
Go on the porch. Get your behind on the porch. But where again? I think we're doing more running than they are.
Go inside. You. Mia, you don't go inside. No, look. Zaire and Mia, look. Zaire. Look around. Zaire. Look at Navion.
Boy, I don't know how to concentrate.
Give me. Give me those. Give me those. Yeah.
Is there more?
Yay!
There's more over that way.
Thank you. We got the
Zaire, look at Navion. I think that's it on the porch
More.
though. Oh, there.
How many orange shoes?
So I didn't put those in there. I did.
one day behind the
So
Christmas
the
tree.
Easter bunny did not?
Oh, Easter Bunny did do it.
Thanks are
What?
lying.
Easter Bunny.
I told her.
Thanks are lying. Oh.
That's empty. I just put that there. It's empty. Oh, you're trying to come to me? You're trying to come to me? That must be a lie. That must be a lie.
I swear I'm not.
No, he's looking for who he's looking for. He's not stupid.
He's looking for his father.
You know, he's not stupid.
Let's open it.
Let me go tell Shelly and Kelsey. Take the throw the egg in the throw the candy in the egg. Carry the egg them I go stay.
What you mean egg them I was stay?
So for next year.
No, we want when that egg for can't go get some people play with. They should say we are Easter something. First Easter something. And you want a duck, Kelsey.
Shelly said she want one of the egg to carry home.
I'm going to say men they are Easter. Oh, the kid, oh, this a dancer. You want to tighten up.
Why would you be quiet? I'm gonna be a sister.
Come closer, come closer.
Everyone come inside. Are you ready?
Oh.
Zaire, you ready? JJ, you ready?
Come say happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Okay, ready?
Happy birthday
Day to you.
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
A knife?
Yeah, that. Yes.
That's tall.
Yeah, got to cut it in half.
Come back.
One.
Yeah. Hey.
Beep, beep.
Hooray! Oh,
Three, go! Busy bees.
Oh, should take the flowers out? Or just come on this side? On this side.
Okay, Miss Thing.
It's chocolate.
It's chocolate.
That's a small piece.
We need a plate. Let's get a plate. A big plate.
Yeah, right here.
It's gonna be bigger than that.
You sure?
Get a big plate to put it on and cut it.
Where's gonna pass the big plate?
Put a big plate.
Namia's gonna get it. She's still going.
Wait till it's happy birthday to her. Shake them all. I thought Navia went to get the plate.
She did.
Navia's right there.
Oh, I thought you. Grandma, can you get the big plate? Who's that? Oh.
I love that price. I'm extra long.
Sing happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday. Aniki birthday. Hey, I'm up to me. Be careful.
She's trying to say it. Look. Where are you going? It's really a little wider, no?
I took away with our ice cream chicken and I did not do anything.
Can I stop recording?